Friends, today we will try to solve this problem validate binary search tree. तो बेसिकली बाइनरी सर्च ट्री को हम वैलिड कब बोलेंगे? तो जैसे ये बाइनरी ट्री दिया हुआ है, इसके लेफ्ट में कुछ नोड्स होंगी, राइट में कुछ नोड्स होंगी. अगर जो तुम्हारा लेफ्ट सब ट्री है उसकी कोई भी वैल्यू अगर रूट एलिमेंट से बड़ी हो जाए या राइट की कोई वैल्यू से बड़ी हो जाए तो वो वैलिड बाइनरी ट्री नहीं होगा. तो इन अ जस्ट द लेफ्ट सब ट्री एंड ऑल द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ लेफ्ट सब ट्री should be less than the root node, and the right subtree and all of its element should be greater than the root element. So this is the basic logic of validating a binary search tree. Okay, so we will try to solve this problem, but before that we should know how we can solve this problem. Means we should know हम क्या लॉजिक लगाएंगे इसमें. दैट इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, we will basically range bound this. So we can say that these three element should be present in some range. So जैसे कि मैं एग्जाम्पल लेता हूँ, I will take integer dot min value and then 1 2 3 integer dot max value. So when I start solving this problem, this I can take this a base problem, a base condition. Means हर एक नोड की वैल्यू पूरे बाइनरी मतलब हर एक नोड की वैल्यू एक बाउंड कर देंगे. हम चेक करेंगे फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर नोड इट्स हायर बाउंड शुड बी इट्स रूट नोड एंड इट्स लोअर बाउंड शुड बी द मिनिमम वैल्यू. इट मीन्स उसकी वैल्यू उन दोनों के बीच में होनी चाहिए. अगर इफ़ वी फॉलो दिस प्रोसेस, अगर इफ ट्री इज फॉलोइंग दिस प्रोसेस थ्रू आउट, then it means it's a valid binary search tree. So we'll see how we can do it. So we have to create a method called is valid, and here we will take tree node and take the root element, and we'll take a min val एक max val. Okay, so what this method will return, it will check on the left side, on the right side, and do the recursion on the tree and give us if that tree is valid or not based on these condition. So what would be the base condition? Base condition would be if my root equals to null. If my root is null, it means I have validated the entire tree. I will return true. Okay, there would be one more condition. If my root dot value is less or equals to min val, this condition, or my root dot val is greater or equals to max val. So means this is the condition where we are going out of the range which I talked about in each iteration. So here I will return false. Okay, else what I have to do, I have to again call this method is valid, and I have to search on the left side. Okay, on left hand side my program execution will start from the minimum and its value, that would be min val, then root dot val. So basically this is also the range check which I am doing. I am checking the left side is valid or not. Similarly I will check if my right side is valid or not. So in this I will start from root dot val and I will check till max value. Means the right subtree should always be greater than its parent, means root. Okay, now I will call this method return is valid root, then in, okay, I'll take long dot min value in long dot max value. Okay, this is done. I will try to run this code. We'll see. Okay, so it says invalid method declaration. Okay, makes sense because it is not returning anything. Now let us try. It says 213, output is false and expected is true. Okay, we'll debug what is the problem. So in root we got this array, we check if root equals null, this is not the condition, and we check if root dot val is less or equals to min val, okay, or root dot val greater than max val. Okay, so okay, this is the problem. So if you see, I was only validating the left side, not the right side. Let me try to rerun this code. Okay, my answer is accepted. And so basically this is the whole crux of this problem. Basically you have to you have to find out the range in which particular root node or the tree should be for each step. So let's say if you are at this position, then the value should be between this and this. If you are at this step, the max should be 2 and min can be the maximum of integer value, like that. So please try it out and let me know in comments if you have any questions.